this is Jamie. I want to welcome you to my channel today. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. Today I have a book I want to share with you guys. I was contacted by Colorya and they asked me if I would share their newest book on my channel. And I said I would absolutely love to. And they sent it to me and I was just going to give you guys a flip. Colorya does some really nice books. Their books are all like spiral bound on the top, so you can see that this is spiral bound. Just make sure, there we go. So you can see this is all spiral bound, nice. Sorry for my small desk. And it's called, this new release is called Mandalas Magical Nature Night. Mandalas Nature Magic Newt. I don't know which language that is. Coloring book. Now, I have their Magical Nature book, and I think it's a gorgeous book. And this one is very beautiful as well. So they open up, obviously, like this because spiral bound. And they are... this is not perforated. I thought they were, but I guess they're not. So this is supposed to be the book belongs to page, and they have black backgrounds. Here is just a little information, and this is not, this part's in English, but these are not. I bet this is like a tutorial thing that you can scan. And the ISBN number is on the bottom here. But I'm just kind of going to get in and just do a flip through so you guys can see what's in this book. Obviously we have a gorgeous butterfly, and I noticed that their images fill the whole page here, which is nice. There's a horse. Look at this one with the two hummingbirds, and they've used the space. That's a fox, I believe. This girl. I think this is supposed to be a tiger, but there's like leaves in him. This is a wolf. There's actually two wolves. There's one here and one here. So they're kind of Zentangly kind of. But I think they picture that like kind of like a mandala inside an object. So not exactly sure what kind of animal she's holding. A peacock. There's a kitty. Bird right there. That bird blends into the tree. There's a dog. I like the use of space on this page. There's an owl. And the paper is really thick. It's like a premium cardstock. This one is more like a mandala. I haven't had a chance to color in this yet because I just barely got it in the mail, and I wanted to flip through this for you guys. This is some type of bear. You could make it into a panda bear if you wanted to, or you can make it into any color of bear. And it almost looks like he's made of leaves, which is kind of cool. This girl. You could use like your glitter gel pens and your markers. Use your pencils and do shading and individual elements if you wanted to. There's a giraffe. But as you can see, there's like more animals than mandalas, but here's a mandala. But this mandala is like an untraditional mandala. It has snails in it. Parrot. Or some kind of tropical bird. Elephants. I love coloring elephants that are Zentangly, because you can pull up really fun palettes to do them. That guy. And with the black backgrounds, it makes it so when you color these, they pop off the page. What I would suggest, sorry guys, what I would suggest is not using dark colors. The lighter the colors, the more it will pop off the page. There's a girl and there's a deer right here. That deer blends in. But once you color it, it would pop out. Let's see. Now this definitely is a mandala. You have some geckos right here. I like that one. You could do this one with big ultrafines or an ultrafine permanent marker. So right now. Squirrel, and he's kind of in a tree, but then they put a border around it. Here we have another bird, and this bird actually has flowers in the wings. It's really pretty. I want to make sure I don't miss a page. And then that's the end. So this is Mandala's Magical Nature Night. And I will put a link in the description box below of this book if you are interested in getting it. It is very beautiful and premium paper. And just gorgeous animals in this book. I think it's mostly animals. So if you like Zentangly and you like animals, I think you would like this book. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And I want to thank Colorya for sending this book for me to review for you guys. And I hope to color in it very soon. Have a wonderful day. Happy coloring, everyone.